Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today I would like to share how to create a list of dates with fixed time interval. This can be done by using the combination of date and the sequence functions. Let's start with the date function. We can type equal to date bracket the date that we want. Start with year, for example 2022, comma the month. Let's say this month, which is November, we have 11, comma, followed by the day that we want. For example, 5th of November, close bracket and press enter, and we should obtain 5th of November 2022. If we want to set the time interval on month, back to the function, go to the month component, and we should plus the sequence function. And now, bracket, type the time points that we need. For example, let's say we want to have 10 time points, we put 10 and close bracket. But bear in mind that this sequence function will generate the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So which means that for the first number, since it's 1 plus 11, we will obtain 12, which is December. However, we should start from 11, which is November. In order to do so, we should minus 1 and press enter. We should obtain a list of unformatted dates with 10 time points, as we can see here. Let's say we want to have the date to be formatted automatically. Back to the function, in front of date, we type the text function, bracket, and now go to the end, comma, followed by the format that we want. Always start with quotation mark. And now the format. For example, date, month, and year. Close quotation and close bracket, press enter again, and we should obtain the dates with the format that we want, as we can see here. Instead of having monthly basis, we could also change to, for example, quarterly basis, which is every 3 months. To do so, firstly, create a set of brackets for the time point, that is from the sequence up to minus 1. And now we should times 3 since we want quarterly basis. Press enter. As we can see, we should obtain a quarterly basis. If you want to have a semi-annually basis, change 3 to 6, which is every 6 months. Press enter and we should obtain the correct time points. On the other hand, if you want the fixed time interval to be set on every n day basis, instead of putting the adjustment on the month, we should move it to day, which is after 5. And now change the interval that we want. For example, weekly, which is 7 days. So we change to 7 and press enter, and we should obtain a valid basis days. Or we could also change to bi-weekly, which is 14 days. Press enter, and we should obtain the correct time points, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.